Yeah.
Do you know if this buoy will stay like this?
Yeah, it's going to stay.
It will be here tomorrow, same one?
Simply because you're going to go back here, so
Yeah.
it's going to be there, I guess.
It's going to be straight down there.
Yeah, that's a straight down there. That's the top.